guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from Sahim Tech, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign in back to your Windows 10 computer when you're stuck in that loading page. It's really irritating. Sometimes it happened to me and I figured out the solution for that problem. When you're stuck in the loading, like it's now, you enter your password and then you sign in, and then it's like loading and loading and loading, and it's loading on forever, and then you shut down the PC, start it again, and then it's still loading and loading. It doesn't even show the password, enter password message. It just continues loading. So I have the solution for this problem. So let's begin this video.